Hare Krishna friends. Today I am going to tell a story I Can Listen by David Parker and retold by Darsh. Listening helps me learn new things. I can listen to my dad teach me how to cook. I can listen to the weather report in the morning. I can listen to my teacher read a book. Listening helps me learn new things. I can listen during a fire drill. I can listen to my sister teach me how to swing. I can listen to my grandma tell a story. Listening helps me learn new things. I can listen to my mom play the piano. I can listen to someone say it's time for bed. I can listen to my parents say I love you. Listening helps me grow and learn. What are 3 things you will learn by listening today? Thanks for watching. Follow for more stories. Hare Krishna.